Good morning, sleepy little friend. Time to wake up and get dressed for a wonderful day. Stretch, big stretch. Good morning, sunshine. First, underwear. One leg up, now the other. Wobbly, wobbly. You did it! Yay! Such a big helper. Now a shirt. Over your head. Where did you go? Pop. There you are. Can you say pop? Pop. Now pants. One leg, two legs. Stand up tall. Look at you. 2 thumbs up. So proud. Socks on your toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Can you wiggle your toes? So cozy. Happy feet. Now shoes. Rip goes the Velcro. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Your feet are ready. Can you stomp with me? Look in the mirror. You look so good. Do a little spin. Twirl, twirl, twirl. All dressed up. So amazing. All dressed and ready for the day. Bye-bye, bedroom. Hello, sunshine.